How is negation of the negation explained in Marxism? Imagine watching a story unfold where each new chapter builds on the last, but with a twist that changes everything. That's kind of how the idea of negation of the negation works in Marxism. It's a way to understand how societies and ideas develop over time. This concept comes from dialectical materialism, which is a way of looking at change through contradictions. Think of it like a push and pull between opposing forces. First, you have a stage or idea, called the thesis. Then, something opposes it, called the antithesis. The clash between these two creates a new stage, called the synthesis. But this new stage isn't just a simple return to the start. It's a transformation that keeps some parts of what came before but moves forward to a higher level. This idea actually started with the philosopher Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, who used it to explain how ideas evolve. But Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels took it and applied it to real-world material conditions. They believed that society changes because of conflicts between different classes and economic systems. For example, in the early days, small private property was the thesis. Then, capitalism, with its large private businesses, became the antithesis. These two clashed, leading to the rise of capitalism. But capitalism itself creates contradictions, like the struggle between workers and owners. This conflict leads to the next stage, socialism, where the means of production are owned collectively. Now, socialism is not the final stop. The idea of negation of the negation says that socialism will eventually be replaced by communism. In communism, class divisions disappear, and society becomes truly equal and stateless. Each stage is a negation of the previous one, and then that negation is itself negated, creating a new, higher form. Think of it like a spiral that moves upward, where each turn includes parts of the past but is also different and better. This process explains why change isn't just about rejecting the old but transforming it into something new. It's about overcoming contradictions in a way that preserves some useful parts while moving forward. So in Marxist theory, the negation of the negation is how society evolves through conflicts and resolutions, always heading toward a more advanced stage. It's a way to see history as a series of developments that build on each other, driven by contradictions and their resolutions. This idea helps us understand how revolutionary change happens in society, not just as a rejection but as a transformation that pushes history forward.